Hello everyone, my name is Shashank and this is the free digital marketing course powered by imshashank.com. And you are watching this video because you already purchased your domain and hosting, and this is your hosting panel. You are watching this as if now in this video. However, I will also tell you maybe that you already purchased your domain and hosting from maybe different other providers. Your domain could be from GoDaddy or Namecheap or Crazy Domains, anywhere, and you purchase your hosting separately. Right, so totally depends. I would recommend you to purchase domain and hosting separately. It would be great for you because you would also learn how to link your domain and how to use separate services, so that whenever you will find any downtime issues, you will be able to know that whether it is from the domain side or the hosting side. But if you have any problem and if you're a newbie, I would suggest you to go ahead and check with Bluehost, right? The link is below mentioned on this page, so you can simply click and also check for the hosting they have. They have one free domain with their hosting account, so it would be great for you to start with them. I'm also using these services, but I'm not creating the video from that, so that you would be able to learn more apart from simple domain and hosting. All right, so currently this is a hosting panel. You can see here I'm currently using this panel from a separate local provider in order to test their account speed and everything. So I'm just creating a video on that particular platform so that you would be able to know more on this topic. Okay, so here we go. You can see here in this panel, we're in home on the hosting services. You can see here customers, domains, subscriptions, service plans, and tools and utilities. Under customers, you need to create a customer account. Different accounts have actually different options. So here in this account, you will see customer. However, if you will purchase from Bluehost, you will not have to make any such account like that. You will get a simple link to log in, and once you will be logged in, you will see your directly domain and your associated services. So you just need to go to services at the page and you will see a WordPress icon, wherein you need to click on that and you need to install as a one-click install system. It would be quite easy, just for 5 minutes it will take, and it will be installed on your hosting server. So once you will check your website like www.website.com, whatever you already purchased as a domain name, it will be live on that particular domain name directly. You don't have to do anything else. So you also need to learn that you sometimes have to purchase domain from different provider and a hosting account from different provider. So you need to link your domain and hosting using CNAME records or either name servers. Name servers would be quite easy, as well as CNAME records. It is sometimes a bit technical, may sound for you all, but you don't need to worry and you don't need to check these actually. But CNAME and name servers are quite easy. It would be something like a link you need to copy and paste on your hosting account, and it will be redirecting to your hosting, because you also need to host your domain maybe some other place, and your domain, your hosting account is actually on the other place. So it would be quite useful to check CNAME records and your name servers as well. It will be easy for you, right? So many Google or YouTube have videos have that information. You can check anytime. Any questions if you find, you can also write in the comment section, and I'll create a video for you to change the CNAME or the name server records as well for you. Okay, so let's get back to the topic. Herein I already created a customer account and domain I already added. So for the test purpose, what I did, I already created a subdomain on my associated domain, which is crazymite.com. So I created a subdomain like digitalmarketing.crazymite.com. Okay, subdomain would be something like this: your subdomain dot your main domain.com. Okay, so it will be like this. I'll tell you how you can install WordPress. It is quite easy for you to install. Once we will click on this link, which is digitalmarketing.crazymite.com, it is a subdomain. We will see different options here. Okay, different account have different options, as I told you. And in your Bluehost account, once you will go, you will see on the service section below at the page, you will find a WordPress icon like this. See here, this is the WordPress icon. Okay, you will see a WordPress icon there. what you need to do, you can simply click on the WordPress icon and it will launch a simple page wherein you will be asked to install WordPress. You can see here Crazy might already have that installed. Okay, so we are actually doing on Crazy Might, so it is not like that. What we need to do, we need to go to digitalmarketing.crazymight.com, click on the install apps. It will launch a simple window, and here in the featured applications I can see your account may look like different, but it will simply work like that. On the WordPress you need to click install. Actually you can directly install that as well, but it will create a common username and a passwords what you need to change, but your username you cannot change after installation. So what you need to do, you can simply go to install custom. It is also recommended to check custom settings. I'm also telling you so that you would be able to know more about this topic, how custom installations are going ahead. Once I'll click on I accept agreement terms, you can simply go through it, read it, take some time and read it. I will recommend you so that next time you would not be able to find any issues in your installation for WordPress. Okay, so once I'll go through with the installation here, it will ask me to specify a location where I need to install WordPress. WordPress.org provides a software that is a content management system already designed, and you just need to install and start working on it. So here in the specify location, we will not specify any subfolder. It is just digitalmarketing.crazymind.com. However, your website will look like website.com. Okay, it will not be something like this. So I will not recommend this thing. Once you will go through it, you will directly host on your own domain, not on any subdomain like digital marketing. Okay, so you can simply go ahead and purchase your domain, and you can link your account. You can start installing your WordPress account on your main domain, not on subdomains. Okay, so I'll leave it blank here. I'll go through it, and here at the bottom you can see there is an administrative username and password. What I need to do, I will do like Crazy Might as my username. Password I'll change. Okay, here we go. Okay, I already installed that. Here you can see. Okay, I mentioned my username and password, which is best for me. Recommend you to also save your password somewhere you can find later on in case you missed something. My email ID, however, in your account you don't need to mention that, it will already mentioned. Okay, your site name, you can change it later on as well after installation. Here is your database username and password. I would suggest you to save your password with save your database with a password definitely, because hackers normally check for the database only so that they can inject viruses, and your site security might be an issue for your user as well as for you. So I already mentioned a password for that. Don't forget to take a note of that passwords and username so that next time once you will find or you will find any problems, you can at least find your uh, passwords. Alright, so we are going ahead with the installation process of WordPress. You can see here it's already 56% done, quite fast, and I think it took maximum like 5 minutes for us to go through it. I know I told you a couple of different options so that you can learn more on this topic, and that is why it took a little bit more time than 5 minutes for you, but it will definitely take 5 minutes for you because you already learned that part. Okay, so it is going ahead, and after the installation you will see a window. See the window, you will see it will be the login information. You will see your link to your admin account, your username and your password. Okay, so password you already know, username you already know. The link would be something like your website.com or .in slash wp hyphen admin. WP is for WordPress, hyphen admin is your admin account. So it will be the link as similar to that only. Okay, and you will see a window. All right, after installation window would be something like your this account. Okay, actually if one time it will be logged in directly, may possible that it is not logged in. So next time once you will go through it, you will check here, it is something like that. You will see Once you will click on your admin panel link. Here you can see www.domainname.com/wp-login. Okay, so it will be your link. You can just simply use your username and your password. It is already updated here, so I'm just logging in. Okay, once you will be logged in, you will see a dashboard of WordPress like this. Okay, once you will see that first time, it will be something like a mess because you don't know what options are doing and how you can customize, how you can make your own website within minutes using those automated system. So it will also be covered in the next video. You will see, and something what you I need to tell you that it is the post. Once you will write an article, you will post here. Your media and pages, comments, everything will be here only, right? So it is quite easy and fun in the next video. I will suggest you to check the next video here as well. And with your own purchase domain and hosting, you can start creating your own website, whatever you like. It may be your blog, maybe your own website, but I would not recommend you to go for the static website. If you will start a blog with the website, it is great. And there is no extra cost for any blog, right? Whatever you already installed here as a WordPress, you can create a simple link and your blog platform is already ready here. I'll tell you everything in the next video. Alright, it is quite easy and fun. Alright, so do check that and let's get back to it. Alright, take care. Bye.